Sup guys, Overdrive here, and today we're gonna be exploring Omni Network Testnet campaign. As always, all links gonna be in description, but follow them at your own risk. Omni Network is an L1 designed to connect all the roll-up networks. Company raised 18 million USD in funding round this year and recently launched the testnet campaign that we're gonna explore. So right away, I would suggest joining the Discord and following their Twitter. We're gonna need those either way for Galaxy and also to pull the information from it. In terms of navigating for this campaign, you can use both this article and also the mentioned channel in the Discord. On the Discord, we have the channel missions, and there you can find all the available links. In order to get started with campaign, we need to go to Galaxy, and here we have Omni Origins, and as you can see, there are currently 3 missions available. If we check them all, they mostly got social tasks, and only one OET actually have a non-chain task. You need to perform at least one transaction on Optimism mainnet, so obviously for the majority of people this is going to be automatically completed. So once you're done with these socials, you can go ahead and claim all 3 OETs, and there are also some corresponding points attached to it, and gas is covered everywhere, so you don't have to pay a dime. And based on the announcements, we need to claim at least one OET on Galaxy in order to be able to access the faucet. Once we did that, we can open the faucet link, paste our EVM address, and click fund. And it says that our account was successfully funded. Then we're gonna go ahead and use the first and currently only available feature of this application. This is an order farm. Here we need to connect the wallet. It should automatically suggest to enter the network, Omni Testnet, and to switch to this network. Now, if I check the wallet, I can see that I got 5 Omni tokens here. And there is also a button to the faucet here. I actually wonder how often can we claim. It says you've already claimed today, so I assume every day you can claim this amount of Omni tokens. So again, here we just need to put some amount. I assume we also need to pay gas in native tokens. Yeah, so don't go ahead and use all of these. I'm using 3 out of 5. Deposit successful. There's also a block explorer. How does that look? Like a standard one. Probably lagging behind as always. Yeah, just like 5 seconds behind. And now we can see the deposited liquidity here. And then we can go ahead and claim. As you can see, we are acquiring some meme tokens. But just to have this transaction, we can go ahead and claim this. And we can also add this token to our wallet. Great, we claimed it. And then again, follow an official announcement. What comes next? If you're reading this, you are early. This is the very beginning of a long journey in which you will see the network scale and functionality expand substantially. And obviously socials. So this is the only thing available in terms of on-chain tasks, but we will definitely keep an eye on it as the project seems very interesting, and also the funding round they acquired is pretty large considering it's the first round as I understand. As for the socials, we also have the official Zilli. Currently there's not much here, just like join Discord, Twitter, and then there is a quiz. But they're probably gonna be adding stuff here, and some of the quests may actually reward you with some roles. And speaking of roles, we also have Guild XYZ, where you can check currently available roles. There is a campaign for the OG. I'm not sure how this works exactly, but I think this one is for people who got in super early. As you can see, only 131 people claimed that actually. But following information on the Discord, we're obviously gonna have more roles, more missions, so I'm gonna be keeping an eye on that for sure. So that's currently it, super fast activity here. Thank you very much for watching. If you found video helpful, please drop a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.